Hi Guardians! Whatever the reasons that led you to this video, know that we will study how to make your own sex machine. It may seem intriguing, but having learned the price of these interesting systems, I was speechless. So I challenged myself to make one and share my project for fun. So I will introduce you before showing you how it works, and finally, for those who want, show you how to make one at home. To start well, I let you admire this machine with music.
Let's go to the heart of the matter by talking about the two most important characteristics, amplitude and speed. The machine has three adjustable amplitudes. The first is 3 cm, the second is 6, and the last is 9. Maybe for some of you it will be relatively little, but don't worry, wait more. The speed is controlled by the potentiometer of the remote, allowing to vary linearly between 0 and 5.5 turns per second. As we can see here, the remote control is equipped with an emergency stop button, so at this time you can change the speed safely. Then, here, re-triggers the system. The tip of the translating shaft is provided with a small flat and smooth surface, allowing the addition of a suction cup dildo. In this way, its addition or removal is very fast as seen on the video, but the fixation remains resistant. And that was great! Well, now that we know the biggest, let's see how it works. First, let's choose a motor. It's the main element and the system's performance depends directly on it. I have chosen a 12 volts gear motor with about 300 rotation per minute speed and that has the best speed torque ratio, just offering 5.5 turns per second without forcing, provided that the target is a minimum weight. For the electronic parts there is no easier, we can even do without microcontroller and you'll understand why. The remote control sends signals from the potentiometer and the push button to the Arduino board, which determine a PWM signal to be sent to the MOSFET used to control the 12 volts motor. The remote has a USB Type A connector and the system a Type B, and not the other way around simply because of the thickness. The communication has absolutely no USB protocol. The two data wires are just connected to the two sensors, simply. Well, now let's see how to turn a rotational movement into a translational motion. Two wooden rods can rotate between them thanks to a small lathe. The disc drives the rod on the left, but the pivot allows the right one to remain perfectly straight. Here, they rotate slightly because the amplitude is only level 1. The set comprises on one side a fixed part serving as support for the dildo and on the other side a moving part thanks to which one can notably change the amplitude. Well, I think that now you know enough about this device to make one at home. I can nevertheless give you some leads and prediction. I first started building the remote so I can simply check with the Arduino serial monitor that it works and test the gear motor accordingly. Then it was necessary to build polycarbonate disc that would accommodate the nail of the pivoting rod. For an 3 cm long, I recommend a disc thickness of maximum 2 cm. To finish, the stem is very simple. It's only two pieces of cylindrical wood of 20 cm linked by a nail allowing the pivot. Remember to add a support so that the rod can slide. The base would be a hollow cylinder in diameter very slightly larger. On my side, mine is surrounded in purple. Okay, that's all. So I hope that this almost crazy project will have given you ideas, not being afraid to share this content. Many more people than you think will appreciate it. I propose you to like the video and to subscribe for other projects in this kind. It's the beginning of my channel. Tell me what you liked or not if you wish, and on this I wish you a pleasant continuation in this wonderful world. What is DIY?